That's our car. Hopefully no spiders jump out. Your mom's a spider that jumps out. Your mama's cold. Your mama turn on the heat. Your mom's gonna turn on the heat. What's that thing that I used to say? What? Turn on the heat. Turn on the heat. Your mom's gonna sniff her feet. Oh, these cars. Get out of my way. Your mom won't get out of your way. Okay. Is that? Yeah. What's up? No, don't do that. What? Roll the window down. I was gonna see if we could get like background effects. It's like 20 degrees out. Oh my god! Cold! Your mom's cold. Tell me about your mom. Just go to college, like we've been hearing about. Where's the hot dog truck? Or did we already go? I don't know. Did it go? Like it's gonna disappear. Like it's gonna take off by itself. Did it go? There's a family that lives in there. It had legs and walked away. Oh! Your mom took up her legs and walked away. Something on the radio. That sounds tasty.